Hey, it's me, Matt, and I had to remake my Mega Burps because I had to delete them. Sorry. I know I had lots of views. I had up to 58 on one of them, but here's my new one. Hold on, it's gonna be a little while because I had to suck in air. Hold on. That's one of them. Yeah, I talk while doing one. Excuse me. So I'm gonna say World of Warcraft.
World of Warcraft.
What else? I'll say Jesse and James, which are my two dogs. Come on.
Jesse James.
Longer than I thought. I'll say three World of Warcraft people's names. I'll say mine, which is my chemical, Dark Beal Wolf, which is my dad, and Petalin Eddie, which is one of my friends. Here goes my name first.
My chemical.
Here goes Dark Beal Wolf.
Dark Beal Wolf.
I know there's a little bit extra. Do I have a drink? Darn. And here comes Petalin Eddie. Come on. Oh, that hurt.
Petalin Eddie.
What else? I'll say, yeah, let's just, I'll do ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Oh man, I can't say Z one.
Z.
And now that my ABCs. I'm gonna name my 3 favorite drinks.
Gatorade. Propel. And Views.
And those are them. Alright, see you later.
Peace out.